let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's jump in. So for our intro we have 3 guitar parts. Guitar 1 is just playing an A power chord to an F sharp minor and played down to the G string, including the G, to a D power chord, to an E chord, and we just again play down to the G string. And we just do that 2 times there. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're going to be 6G, then 6, 7, 5 on the B, back to 6 on the G. Start from that second 6 again and do it again. 6, 7, 5, 6, then G, 6, 7, 5 on the B, bend the 7 on the B a tone and a half, and then just 7, 5, 7, 5 and 7 on the G. And then we do that again, 6, 6, 7, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5. Now bend the 7 again for a tone and a half on the B and just play 7, 5, 7. And that's guitar 2. Let's have a look at guitar 3. So this is the harmony. We're going to play 2nd fret on the G, and then 2, 4, 2 on the B, back to 2 on the G. We do that again, 2, 4, 2 B, 2 G, and then G, 2, 4, do 2 on the B, bend the 5th fret on the B, start on the B, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4 on the G. Then we repeat that again, 2, and then 2, 4, 2 on the B, bend 5 on the B, and to finish off 3, 2, 3. So for our verse, it's still the same as guitar 1. For the intro, play the A power chord, then do the F sharp minor but play all the strings, to the D power chord, to an E chord, and again play all the strings. And just do that 4 times there, and that's our verse. So guitar 1 for our chorus, we're doing F sharp power chord to E to F sharp, and then do that again. So come up to a D power chord, then just play an E chord and do that 2 times there. To the D, to the E, then we're going to an A power chord, go to the F sharp minor chord, but just play down to the G string, to the E, then we're going to do 7 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can come off there, back to the A, to the F sharp minor, to the E. Now this time we're holding 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again on that E power chord we can come off the palm mute. So that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So then for guitar 2 we're playing the F sharp minor but just play the D, G, B and E string, to the 9th fret on D, G and B, back to the F sharp minor. We do that 2 times. Slide down on the last one, play the D power chord to the E power chord, and we do that 2 times. D to E, then we're just playing an A power chord, back to the F sharp minor, to an E power chord, hold for 2 bars, back to the A, the F sharp minor, The E we hold for one bar and then just do palm muting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our first chorus C. From there we go back to the intro and guitar 1, 2 and 3 stay the same. Back to the verse, that stays the same. Then we have the second chorus, and that's exactly the same, except we're going to put the F sharp E, F sharp back on the end again. So do that 2 times, and guitar 2's the same as before. And do that 2 times there, and that's our second chorus. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're just playing the verse again 4 times. Then for our bridge, guitar 1's just doing an F sharp E, F sharp again, to D, to an E power chord, and do that 2 times, and then guitar 2 plays the rest. So guitar 2 is going to start the same as our chorus again, F sharp minor to E, F sharp minor, and again slide down to our D power chord to our E power chord 2 times. Then go back to an A power chord and we're palm muting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to the F sharp minor, play it off on the 4 and then palm muting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to an E power chord and we're starting on the 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Go back to the A power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The F sharp minor power chord off on the 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and just play an E chord there. And they're all the parts to the bridge. Then we have our outro on guitar 1's just playing the A power chord to the F sharp minor to the E. Then we're going to do 2 palm mutes on the E, off, 1 palm mute off, 2 palm mutes. Back to the A, F sharp minor to the E. Now this time play off, mute, mute, off, mute, off on that E power chord. And this next riff's going to continue through to the end. A, F sharp minor, E, palm mute. Then we're going to play 9 on the D and the G, 7 D and G, 6 D and G, jump to 9 A and D to 5 A and D. So, and then straight back to the A, repeat there. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is similar, we just play the A power chord to the F sharp minor to the E. Do that again, the A to the F sharp minor to the E, and then we finish the same as guitar 1. A, F sharp minor, E, don't put the palm mutes in, and do our run down. And just keep repeating that to the end. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So for our solo, guitar 1's just playing the intro again. And bend. And do that again. So it's the same as our intro. Then we're going to slide up to 9 on the G and then play it 6 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide up to 10 on the E. Play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide up to 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do 3 bends on the 12 E. The last one, bend and release. 10, 9. And then 12 E, 12 B, 12 E, 10 B, 12 E, bend the 12 on the B, and just play the 12. And then guitar 2 again is just playing the harmony to the intro. Then we slide up to the 10 on the B 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide up to 12 on the B 6 times. 5, 6. Slide up to 14 on the B 6 times. Bend the 14 3 times. Bend and release. 12 and then 14 on the G. 14B, 13G, 14B, 11G, 14B, and then bend 13 on the G and play 13. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Guilty of Love Guitar Lesson by Whitesnake. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.